So I've done a fair few videos now on recovering Rockchip devices, but today I just want to show you specifically how to recover pretty much any Rockchip device that's out there, whether it's got the 3328, the 3229, or some older Rockchip processor inside it. This tutorial is going to show you how to do it. I'm not going to be able to show you where to get the actual firmware for your device. That's going to be up to you guys. You can use StreetTab for that, XDA, and so on. But it's not something I can help you with. I can only help you with the actual process. Anyway, my name is Matthew, and you're watching another tutorial by the MXQ project. First of all, let's install some drivers onto our PC or laptop. We're going to be using the driver assistant tool. Again, all those links will be in the description for you, all clearly labeled, etc. Next up, we need to install the Rockchip Batch Tool. Select the Import Image tab, and then select the image file appropriate for your Rockchip device. Again, I can't help you with finding the correct image file for your device. Once it's selected, it will check the firmware, make sure it's all okay. And now we can move on to connect our Rockchip device to our PC or laptop. So we're going to need a USB male-to-male cable that's capable of data transfer. All you need to do is connect one end into your PC or laptop and then the other end into your actual Rockchip device. Now I'm going to be using this V88 here, and all we need to do is connect the one end of the male USB cable into the actual USB port. It's normally the OTG port that you need. Mine's on the back here. But before we actually do that, we need to actually hold in the reset button. Now the reset button on this device is inside the AV port. Hold that in and then insert the actual USB cable. Then on screen it should actually load up, and then you can now proceed on to actually installing this firmware. But once your device has been connected using the male-to-male USB cable and you've got held in that reset button, you don't have to continue holding in that reset button. Once it's connected to your PC, that's it. Then the final thing you need to click is upgrade, and the process should take about 2 to 3 minutes or something like that. Once that's done, you can disconnect it, and then there we go. Hopefully your device is fully recovered. I really hope you enjoyed this video and it's helped you recover or even upgrade the firmware on your Rockchip device. Anyway, I think that pretty much concludes this video. You've been watching another video by the MXQ project. Don't forget to check out our website, mxqproject.com, as well as our Facebook group and Twitter at MXQ project. Thanks for watching, and we shall see you very, very soon.